Hello, I'm Carrie Ann Oestreicher, Chief Engagement Officer for Potential Unlimited. Today I'd like to tell you a little bit about the types of programs that I offer through Potential Unlimited designed specifically for women in business. I offer the Shine Like a Woman, which is confidence and assertiveness training. There's Present Like a Woman, Sell Like a Woman, and Connect Like a Woman, which is for relationship building. And these programs are really unique because they leverage the special gifts that women have to help them be more successful in business. And then there is my signature Women in Leadership program that offers coaching and mentoring sessions, a 360 assessment, and it also includes a beautiful retreat at a resort, which the upcoming one is the Red Mountain Spa, and it really focuses on leadership, focus, as well as corporate balance. And if you feel like you're stressed and overwhelmed and looking for some tools and techniques to bring better focus to your life and more peace, this is the program for you. You can find out more about my Women in Leadership program as well as my women's series of training courses by visiting my website. Thank you.